Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through research and AI. AI is an artificial intelligence. Its meaning is it's a science that makes machines perform tasks as human intelligence. Okay, the task that it performs includes reasoning, perception, we have language understanding, and others. So basically, we have two types of AI. We have the weak AI and then the strong AI. For the weak AI, basically performs only one task. For example, we have the ChatGPT, which majorly is specified only in documentaries. Like if you want to do your research, you can open it and then you find out all what you want. You type in what you want. And then for the strong AI, it does multi-purpose task. For example, we have multi-purpose robots, which normally are being used in industries. You can also use it at home to perform different tasks that you want. Now, if you want to use this AI, since the AI has come to help us in so many ways, in doing our research and other things, this is what you're going to do. You're going to, if you want to get this application, you have to go to your Google Chrome. Then you tap for DeepSeek. Now it's going to give you options, or it's going to give you a condition where you have to log in with your email or the Google app or other things. Then you also have to give in your password. So I'm going to log in with my Google. Wait as it logs. So it's going to give you another way whereby you're supposed to enter with your you put in your password. So as it's running, so now if you have installed the application into your phone or into your PC, it's going to give you this, like this this face, whereby it's going to ask you, how can I help you? So here it's what you're going to do. When you come here, you type whatever you want to know or you want to research on. Let me say, for instance, I want to know what is all about. Let me type. I want to know the meaning of. The meaning of. Let's say the meaning of AI. Here. So it's going to respond to you according to how you have asked the question. So that is basically how you can use AI to do your research, to do your day-to-day activities. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos that are coming. Thank you.